For regular updates, please subscribe to Smriti's Kitchen. Hello viewers, welcome back. Today we are making roasted mushrooms in a very unique and different style. In this method, we are going to wrap tender mushrooms in a soft banana leaves. With the addition of few spices and the banana leaf wrap makes the mushroom taste amazing. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, please remember to subscribe. So let's start. For this recipe, we will use fresh mushrooms, finely chopped onion, garlic, green chilies, fresh coriander leaves and few spices. Wash the mushrooms and pat them dry using a cloth or paper towel. Use a sharp knife to cut the mushrooms into small pieces. Transfer the sliced and diced mushrooms into a bowl. Now we will add finely chopped green chilies, 2 teaspoons of garlic, some red onions and fresh coriander leaves. For additional flavors, we will add turmeric powder, cumin seeds, chili flakes, garam masala, 1 teaspoon paprika, coriander cumin seeds powder, black pepper powder, chaat masala and salt to taste. Using a spoon, mix the mushrooms and spices. Feel free to adjust the quantity of green chilies and paprika to suit your taste. All the spices are blended well together with the mushrooms. Now we will move on to prepare the dough for coating the mushrooms before roasting them. Take 1 cup of wheat flour in a bowl and add half a teaspoon of salt. Add a small quantity of water for preparing the dough. We are making this dough for coating the mushrooms, so the consistency will be fluid. Now add 1 tablespoon of besan or chickpea flour and blend it together with the dough. Our dough or coating is ready. Take a fresh banana leaf, wash it and cut it into small pieces, approximately 6 inches by 10 inches. Lightly roast the banana leaf on an open flame. It's similar how you will roast a papad on an open flame. Doing so, the banana leaf will become tender and will not break while folding. Using your fingers or a spoon, cover the banana leaf with a thin layer of dough. Now add a spoonful of mushrooms on one side of the banana leaf. Lift it from the other edge and fold it in the middle. Doing so, the mushrooms will be covered from all sides into the thin sheet of dough. Remember to gently press onto the leaf from all sides. It's like making a large size ravioli inside a banana leaf. Our first batch of mushrooms are ready to roast. Heat the pan on medium to high flame and then gently transfer the banana leaf wrapped mushrooms onto the pan. Drizzle some oil from all sides and allow the mushrooms to roast for around 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn them over and roast again from the other side. Mushrooms are easy to cook, so it will be ready in 5 to 6 minutes. Once it's ready, transfer it onto a plate and continue with the next batch. Once it's cooled down, use a cookie cutter to cut the spicy mushrooms, which will give it a nice shape. You can also use the pizza cutter to give some different shape. After cutting them into the shapes of your choice, this delicious dish will be presentable as well. Fresh mushrooms with some spicy flavors roasted inside the banana leaf taste great. I'm sure you will enjoy this nutritious recipe, full of natural flavors of mushrooms blended with some spices. If you like this dish, please subscribe to my channel, press the like button and share this video with your family and friends.